By the end of this quick video, you're going to have a better understanding of what global styles are in Bubble and how to set them up so you can keep consistent styles across your entire app. So global styles are set here in the Styles tab of your Bubble app, and it allows you to set one style for any element on your app. So for example, you can search for bubble and search for button and our primary button here. And if we change any details such as the color of this primary button, anywhere on your app that you have a button set to the primary button style is going to update that color in one place. So you can make a style change in one location and it'll change and update everywhere in your app. This is really, really important to get right when you are building your Bubble app and doing it as you're first building your Bubble app, so you don't have to go back and add styles later on to every element in your app. So I'm going to show you just an example of how this works in an actual Bubble app page. So here I'm on this page. You can see it's just a basic design for an AI generator for a product description for a Facebook ad. This is actually part of one of our courses, our No Code MBA's Building Apps with AI course. But here we have our primary button, and you can see the color actually changed to green because we changed it in the global styles, and this has that primary button style. So if you click on an element and then you click in the style, this is where you can change the style to other preset styles. So I have a style called outline button, and then that changes it to that outline button style. Now you can also detach the style. I can click detach style, and let's say I want to change the font to 20. So I can do that, but now if I go back into our styles, and let's say I change this background color back to blue, if I go to our app design, this is still green because I detached that style. Now, if I wanted to, I could create a new style that's going to save everything from that new style that I created. So I could call it, primary green large button, for example, and I could create it. And then that would just create a new style that I could use in my app. Or I can go back and select that primary button again. And now it has all the styling of that primary button with the blue. So this is really helpful to understand. It's something that you can do with all elements. So here you can see this has a little styled group style for this group here. And it's something that, again, is really important to understand and set up correctly in your app. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get future videos like this for free. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.